Hello friends, today I am going to talk about prospective challenge, external relationship. In this perspective, I want to put three things in place. I want to talk about three things. One is what nature says about relationship. Second thing is how am I living my life in my life, and third thing is what is my opinion. Let us begin. If you look into the surroundings, if you look into the nature, what is all about relationship between two animals of same species? Are they are they are in love? Are they are in sexual relationship? According to me, according to my observation, according to the theories, um, any other animal than human being not having um, emotions same as human being, they do not have so much of emotions like us. And for them, having a relationship or especially sexual relationship is a kind of natural process where they want to produce their offsprings for next generation. They do have sex. It is the sex is not the fun factor for them. So they only have, most of the animals they only live together when they reach to the maturity level of sexuality, or when they need to meet a mate in a particular period of time in a year. They live together, most of the animals. There are few animals live together all the in all throughout the life. That is again mother nature given that character to them. It is not by their thought process. They just have to live like that. And what happens in nature is that always the dominant ones will have a relationship with the other females or males. That is how it is. So, if you see lion, they live with multiple females. If you see tigers, they live with. They don't live together. They live alone. Only they meet during when they need to have sex or sexual relationship to have next their next aspirants, or once in a year or something like that. And if you see an elephant, they are the community livers. They live together like human being, and they follow the elders. So this is natural phenomena of sexual relationship. When it comes to human being, it is a blender of emotion and fun and um, a relationship. So for human being, love is one aspect. They have emotion, and second thing is sexual relationship. It is in case of human being, it is not just a reproduction process. It is fun factor. So this is the way the nature defines it. And the way what I how I lived is, it is like second thing what I wanted to discuss. Before marriage or during my colleges, I thought of having a relationship, not external, just relationship, even not even about the girlfriend. But my inbuilt character not allowed me to um, have any relationship until I get married. So this is my way of living. I never thought of having a relationship before marriage. I thought of it, but never. I did not really focused on it. And now I am married. I have kids. I am living happily, and having external relationship for a person like me is not really not really suits because of my thought process. So I I'm a single woman person, so I'm happy with that. I'm not regretting on that, and I don't want to have any external burden or extra pain in my life. I am happy. That's the second thing. And third thing, what is my opinion? My opinion is that each animal in nature have its own way of living, its own character. Lions, they conquer a group of females, and as long as he is strong, he lives. And when he become weak, other lion will come and conquer that, and he kill all aspirants present during that time. He don't want to have anything. So that is their way. But for human being, we have thinking power. We have emotions towards our partners. So no partner, I would say male or female, don't like their partner having relationship with any other person. So it is always better to live our life um, with single partner. It will be peaceful, and it will be economical also. So it is better. And if some partners want to have a relationship, and they both agree on that thing, about that is different case. So this is my opinion. Thank you very much. This is Bhuvan signing out.